2. In Sheep's Clothing: Understanding and Dealing with Manipulative People, by George Simon. The title tells you all you need to know about this book. It explains how manipulative people work and how you can protect yourself against them. There are various examples of manipulation. These include abusive relationships and workplace power tactics, among others. Importantly, the book also helps the reader to identify weaknesses in their own personality that are ripe for manipulation. It then provides 12 clear tools for improving your emotional strength to create better relationships. While the book's information is helpful, it doesn't then provide strategies for dealing with manipulators. Readers are left to develop their own methods, which can be problematic. Prose clear examples of manipulative behavior provides empowerment strategies. Logical structure and language. Cons falls short of providing coping strategies.